Hello, today is May 12th, number 17. And today's topic is gonna be like this. What is the good aspect of using ebooks instead of paper books? Here, actually, I'm usually use paper books when it comes to studying English. But on the other hand, when it comes to getting some knowledges some knowledge about productivity, or how can I say, making a blog, I usually use ebooks. So that's why this topic is so interesting for me to talk about. Yeah, anyway, you know usually I made some script, to express what I want to say in English. But today's, you know, I try to reduce the time I watch the script. But anyway, let's get the ball rolling. Yeah. First, yeah. So by the way, I'm going to talk about good things, good aspects of using ebooks. And number one, easy to carry ebooks. If you use ebooks, it is so easy for you to carry some books. Imagine this: you like to read books and you buy paper books. They will stuck with your room, and you might have to throw away them if you continue to buy paper books from now on. Yeah. And you might have to buy shelves to put them into shelves, right? And number two, you know ebooks have function to show the meaning when you cross the line where you can understand what it means. Yeah, it helps me a lot actually, because as I said earlier, I've studied in English for one year or 2 years, and sometimes recently I've tried to read some English books. Sometimes I came across the English word that I don't understand. Yeah, if I use paper books, we you know I need to Google the English word I don't know and I don't understand. But if I use ebooks, you know, it has the function to show the meaning. Yeah, so this function helps me a lot, and I would say this is the one of the best things you know to use ebooks and to read ebooks instead of paper books. And number three, you don't need to go library or bookstores to buy some books. It is immensely useful in many different circumstances. For instance, when you must be in hospital with mild illness, or when you want to read books written by mother language in other countries. Yeah, like my situation, actually I'm living in Australia, but sometimes I want to read Japanese books, Japanese novels. So there's few bookstore in Australia to sell Japanese novel or Japanese books. So that's why when I want to read Japanese novel things, I try to use ebooks, or like Amazon, Kindle or something like that. I'm trying to use Kindle and try to buy Japanese novel on Kindles, ebooks, which is ebooks. It helps me a lot. So I was going to talk about three good things of using ebooks. First, easy to carry books. And number two, we can, it has function to show the meaning. You can cross the line where you can understand what it means. And finally, you don't need to go library or bookstore to buy some books. That's it.